Hey guys, I'm Joshua with PoolBots.com, and today we're looking at the top 3 issues with the Dolphin E10 robotic pool cleaner. Our first issue with the Dolphin E10 is its lack of wall climbing. While we may not expect to see waterline cleaning around the price of the E10, wall climbing is something that can be found on similarly priced units like the Dolphin Cayman. The lack of wall climbing is a big issue for us because the walls of your pool are difficult to clean, and it's where a lot of debris settles. So not only will you have to scrub away the dirtiest part of your pool, the water line, but you will also have to clean all the walls. That defeats the purpose of owning a hands-off robot because it's not truly hands-off. We would recommend you invest a little more to get a unit that can clean your pool walls for you, like the Cayman. They'll take care of more pool cleaning that you don't have to do. Our next issue with the E10 is its lack of programmable timer. Programmable timers used to be reserved to premium cleaners like the Dolphin Premier or Quantum, but we are beginning to see them included on more budget-friendly models such as the Dolphin Cayman. This has raised the bar for budget robotic pool cleaners, and the E10 doesn't meet this new standard. It only has a simple on and off switch, which means you will have to walk outside and turn it on every time you want to clean, instead of simply going outside once to set up the robot's cleaning schedule for a whole week, like you can with the Cayman. Our final issue with the E10 is the lack of filter options. This is an issue that often comes with purchasing a budget robotic pool cleaner. It only comes with the standard fine filter basket, which does a good job collecting a little bit of everything, but it can't handle pools with larger amount of leaves or fine debris. You'll only find these types of filters on premium models, such as the Dolphin Premier, Quantum, and Sigma, which means you will have to work harder at cleaning the robot and picking up after it if you end up purchasing the E10. Before wrapping up this overview of the top 3 issues of the E10, we figured it would be important to mention the hidden costs that could affect you when you purchase it. If the E10 does not work out for you, you may have to pay a 20% to 50% restocking fee. Not many buyers are aware of this before their purchase, and they end up losing hundreds of dollars on what should be a simple return. It's another reason why we would recommend the Dolphin Escape over the E10. When you buy it from a platinum seller, the Dolphin Escape will never have a restocking fee if you need to return the bot for any reason. So there you have it, our top 3 issues and 1 bonus issue with the E10. Can't climb walls, lacks a programmable timer, has only 1 filter option, and has a frustrating 50% restocking fee policy. As always, you can read real reviews and learn more about the Dolphin Escape, Cayman, and dozens of other robotic pool cleaners at PoolBots.com. Visit our website and YouTube to find the best deals, tips, and tricks for pool ownership and special buys that'll help you enjoy your pool to its full potential.